A video circulating on the internet of a man dealing with a girl viciously. My viewers, subscribers, we're here to talk about it. Enough of the chit chat, let's jump straight into the video. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click the notification bell to turn on post notifications so you never miss the next content from JV Radio. My viewers, subscribers, I hope you're alright, I hope you're doing okay. Welcome back to the channel. My people, a video I circulate on the internet, and up to now, me not hear nobody come talk about it. Me not hear like the people and what did I talk about the MP and him Empress. Me don't hear nobody come talk about this one like what them talk about that. So we're here to talk about it because if you're interested in the video, you can shot me a DM on Instagram. My IG name is Just Vibes Radio, spelled JUSVIBES RADIO. The link is also in the description. You can see the name on the screen as well. My viewers, subscribers, it not look good, you see it, and it said allegedly that this female is this man here, girlfriend, babe mother. Allegedly, because I don't know them in personal, but based off of where really I go on at the video, my people, it look really disturbing, you see it, and if you know, see how the man them deal with the Empress them just like that, you see me, and there's no justification, you see it, for actually justify as to why a man would deal with a female like that in front of so much people, you see it. But I go shown a piece of the clippings, you see it, it go blurry, you know, you're not going to see it because of YouTube policies and terms and conditions, so I go show you, see it.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh no, stop! And the girl stand up. Come up here. Where I run so fast?
People, you see how the man deal with the Empress, you see it, and nobody not really apart them, you see me, it appears as if them go up on a little outings, you know the thing go, because it come like me familiar with the location there, you see it, look like somewhere in Negril, I don't know, but that's where it look to me, to be honest. But my viewers, subscribers, the man I deal with the Empress, wicked, my people, like wicked, box down, buff, buff. You know, like when you don't deal with a little boy like in high school and you know primary school, you know, you're bigger than him and you fling my drunk all them things, you body some man, all them things, like when the police deal with the people, when they arrest the man, they resist arrest. I saw the man deal with the Empress. You see it, I mean, you nobody come talk about this video here out now by family from day before yesterday, and I can tell you, when the MP video they drop with him harass they are with him and the Empress, you see it, I mean, yesterday it come out, the said time it actually come out. If you get what me I say, you see it, there was no delay of it going viral. The moment the video drop, at the said time it go viral. But why? Because of what? Because you have a public figure in the video. You see, that's the reason why it go viral immediately. And we see a next case like this where a man deal with him female wicked. But guess what now? People just tend for fake wake. You see, because them things here are things we've been happen every day. Man beat up female every day. But yes, guess what? We don't talk about it until we see a video go viral of a public figure who for set example. That's when we talk about it, my people. You see, and it not for gossip. It not for gossip, my people. I mean, I tell you the truth, I'm disturbed. You see it based off of how the man deal with the female. The man deal with the female like see how I'm daughter. That's even daughter. You see, because I tell you the truth, no man on the right for people let them daughter like that. But him a deal with the female like say yo, him met the female, you see it from scratch with one bone, put blood tissues and all of that pan her. You know what me I talk about? I saw the man a deal with the female, wicked. You see, now imagine if I'm my daughter like that now, I see all how we ma deal with all my daughter so. Me disturb about it, you know. You see, but then again, some of them female here, them not really mind. You see me? And I like to them because I'm not gonna use the term to justify say of female like when the man beat them, because when the man beat them claims that the man them love them. I not use that for justify nothing. You see me? But you have some females still in my viewer subscribers. That's when the man them beat them. You see it? Two twos at them. I told them that. Just like the MP situation, man, the man beat up the Empress, you see, but because them in some form of dealings, you see, that them have even a ban, because that is no ban, but them have a certain amount of dealings together, then it come like she afraid to lose she afraid to lose where this man here have to offer. Regardless, so she will take the beat up and all of the abuse them just because fear needs and meet same way. And this are the reason why a whole heap of females stay in a toxic relationship where them partner beat them every day, beat them come, beat them go, beat them come, beat them go, beat them come, beat them go, because them needs are meet. Them a get money. Is it? I mean, I don't know my viewers, subscribers, but to tell you the truth, it no look good and me not gonna come play Jesus Christ. You see it heaven above to say, yo, boy, you know, so if you tell you the truth, like female they're human beings are that don't deserve to get this treatment or whatever, because me not gonna lie. I've dealt with female in the past, like really rough, you see it, but I understand myself and know say the culture what me I follow another right way. You see, like beating a female is not the right way. Like you beat her, go beat her, come, that not change nothing. You see it? So if you beat her because of a reason, that still not gonna stop she from doing what she do. You get me I say? Your subscribers, it rough. You see it? As I can see in the video, you see it, like you man beat her up for a good little while. You see the people them we go with them. All the things the people are do I watch. You see, me see a next man come out and the kind of the last part I try part them look like him did a par with them too. You see, but people basically are watching a video. I watch the man beat up the female wicked. You see me? And no man nah part them. That's the world we live in right now. You see it? Everybody think about the moment to catch this great picture capture of a video, so them can see how and me break the news and me have the video and me have this, but nobody now put the step forward for make you wanna stop the video and I could just stop or really go on. So everybody a video, everybody phone out me here man and say, yo, you know can't go part them. You see me? That me your empress I say me I say, yo John, no then if this empress here never said you know can't go part them, the man with a video and watch it man beat the empress to sickness. You see my people, and then when police come, them run up and down. You see me? That are the society we live in right now. Everybody do things for the clout and for the media. Like, me can't understand. And it wrong my viewers, subscribers. Like, me I watch the video, you see me? And me I say, yo, John, no, like, what the empress could do for the dog or for the man deal with the empress like that. You see me? The man take the empress out of the vehicle, throw her out of the vehicle, literally lick her up on the ground, body slam her, and just a box her up. So I have to say, yo, Jaja, them man here have sister, them man here have mother. You see me, my viewers, subscribers, so the ironic part about it, if a man deal with all them sister or them mother, so a war, shot Goliath fire. You see me? But me not understand still my viewers, subscribers. I mean, you can share your opinion in the comment section below. You see what you think. Like, me ain't nobody talk about the video. You see it, and me can tell us it is viral. You see it, I guess people pick and choose what to talk about. You see it, like if it doesn't include persons of importance, I quote, you see it, it come like it don't make no sense. The news don't make no sense. You see it, because everybody do things for views. You see it, and who break news first and all of this, my people. But it don't look good. You see it, but Jaja. Until next time, just vibe, you know. I'm out.